Good morning, YouTube. Today I'm going to be taking a look at this Crown Comtech 800 amp. It is a 400 watt output amp that I don't have much use for. I got it for free. The thing, it lights up, but otherwise it really doesn't work. Now I could, open it up, try and diagnose it, things like that. But I don't really have much use for it, even if it was working. So I'm just probably going to gut it and take whatever I want out of it. It's really heavy, so hopefully that means there's lots of really awesome stuff in there. But I'm not sure. So, yep, I'm going to open her up and let's see what kind of crap we can salvage. Alright, we got the lid open. And I think I see why it's so heavy. That power transformer is pretty large. And that's probably taking the bulk of the weight right there. Let's see, we got a cooling fan, some boards. Some really large caps. Transistors, all that good stuff, heat sinks. So let's see what else we can find. Alright, we got the lid open. And I think I see why it's so heavy. That power transformer is pretty large. And that's probably taking the bulk of the weight right there. Let's see, we got a cooling fan, some boards. Some really large caps. Transistors, all that good stuff, heat sinks. So let's see what else we can find. Alright, so it's all apart. And this is the pile of stuff we got. There was 24 of these 5-watt resistors, a couple of transistors, full bridge rectifiers, terminal strips, circuit boards, which I got those little chips out of. I don't know what I would use them for, but you never know. That monster power transformer, which it looks a little roached out, but overall in good shape. I think the resin just got hot a couple of times too many. It's probably still okay, but we'll see. Little AC fan, which that's probably just junk. Here's the rest of the chassis, heat sinks, transistors, stuff like that. I don't think I'm actually going to desolder all those output transistors, but you never know. I took out one, but I don't know. I'm gonna sit there and unbolt them all and desolder them, because I don't know that I'll really use them. And then back here is just the rest of the chassis, which is destined for the recycling bin most likely. I might use some of the metal for other projects. And there's the front grille. But yeah, that's what I got out of it.